To see a heat map in TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart of your choice. A heat map is a graphical representation of data that uses colors to display the intensity or density of market activity. It can be a powerful tool for traders, helping them visualize market trends and make informed decisions. First, ensure you have the correct layout selected. Click on the Layout button at the top right corner of the screen and select the Chart-Only layout. This will give you a clean and uncluttered view of your chart. Next, click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen and select Heatmap from the list of available indicators. If you cannot find the heatmap indicator, you may need to search for it in the Pine editor, which is TradingView's programming language. Once you have added the heatmap indicator, you will see a new window below your chart with various settings and options. Here you can customize the appearance of your heatmap, including the color scheme, opacity, and data source. To get the most out of your heatmap, it is essential to understand the different settings and how they affect the display. The data source, for example, can be set to display the heatmap based on various market data, such as price, volume, or order flow. In addition to customizing the appearance of your heatmap, you can also use it in conjunction with other indicators and tools to gain a more comprehensive view of the market. For example, you can use the heatmap to identify areas of high market activity and then use other indicators, such as moving averages or trend lines, to confirm your trading decisions. Best practices for using heat maps in TradingView include starting with a simple setup and gradually adding more complexity as you become more comfortable with the indicator. It is also essential to backtest your strategies and refine them based on your results. By following these steps and practicing with different heat maps and settings, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always keep your strategies simple and focused, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. With patience and discipline, you can use heat maps in TradingView to make informed trading decisions and achieve your financial goals.